Are you thinking about breaking into tech in 2025? Well, let me tell you this, it is 100% possible, and you don't need a tech degree to get started. The biggest piece of advice I would give you is simple. Choose an area that is in high demand but not overly saturated. If you are going into a field that is flooded with experts, it's going to be tough to stand out. A perfect example is cybersecurity. This is a career path that is not going anywhere. As technology evolves, cybersecurity also has to advance. There's always a need for professionals in this space. Now think about it. How many people do you actually know who work in cybersecurity? There's a large gap in the market, and that is where you come in. Entering a new industry as a beginner is already hard, but if you are stepping into a competitive and overly saturated space, it's going to be even harder. That is why research is key. Before choosing a focus area, always check if it's a competitive space, if this niche skill will be needed in a few years, and if there are clear paths for beginners. The second step is to get certified. This is the best way to boost your credibility without a tech degree. And guess what? You do not have to spend thousands of CDs on courses because there are platforms like Google and Coursera that offer beginner-friendly free courses like data analytics, cybersecurity, and digital marketing. Find the courses that align with what you want to do, gain the skills, and make yourself more attractive to recruiters. Now here is something people don't often talk about. Tech isn't always about coding. If you already have the skills in another field, use them. Instead of starting from zero, find a tech role that you can transfer your skills to. Here are some practical examples. If you're into psychology, try UX research. You already understand human behavior, so UX research is your best fit. If you're in law, try privacy engineering. Understanding of compliance and data protection is an asset. For admins, try project management. Coordination and organization skills are key in this role. If you're in communications, try technical content marketing. If you can explain complex ideas in simple terms, this is the role for you. If you're an actor, go into developer advocacy. Actors and public speakers thrive in roles that involve storytelling and community building. If you're in marketing, try front-end development. Understanding user psychology makes this an easy transition. Tech is one of the fastest growing industries, and you don't need a traditional background to get started. Stop letting your lack of experience hold you back. Instead, find the path that makes sense for you. Get the right skills and take action. So now, drop your comments below. Which tech career are you choosing? Like this video, share with someone who needs to hear this, and don't forget to subscribe for more career tips.